Today we're checking out Tupelo Honey.
Tupelo Honey is located in the heart of downtown Denver, right next to Union Station.
They offer made-from-scratch Southern food with a fresh take on old traditions.
You mean your happy place?
It's so good. It has a nice kick to it. It's sriracha cake with honey.
The Shoe Mercy Chicken and Biscuits is like having all of the flavors of the South in one bite. If you can fit it all in your mouth.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
With 19 locations around the U.S., check out their website to visit the one closest to you.